Okay, welcome to the next project. Obviously it's the Chieftain Mk10 by MENG. I've been looking forward to this kit. It looks really nice. I've had a look, but it looks really nice. So let's unbox. Obviously nice box art. Seems to be some sort of competition. Might have a look at that. Instructions, have a look for them in a minute. What's this? Not quite sure. Looks like some details about the Chieftain itself. Have a look for that in a minute. So then you've got all the parts. The turret part, it looks lovely moulded. Put that in its box, in its package. Track links. I've actually ordered some track links from Metal Track. Even though these do look good. Some of the side boxes and some of the running gear. So that's B. The lower hole also looks really nicely moulded. Gun barrel, the lower part of the turret. That's E. Oh, like a rubbery for the gun mantlet, I suppose. Looks like more parts of the turret. H. Right, in here I think that's all your little bolts for the tracks. More parts. Look at, I don't know if you can see that, but inside the gun barrel it's actually rifled. That's quite amazing. That's F. So all your clear bits and the tool for putting the tracks together. Part of the turret mantlet, turret ring. Rear, more boxes. Again, lovely detail. Absolutely amazing detail. got your side skirts, more running gear. And obviously your running wheels and your photo etch. Now I'm just going to sort out over here and I'll get back to you. So yeah, the photo etch parts. Not much photo etch parts, surprisingly. And your decals. Right. So what do we have here? Right. Just an information pack about the Chieftain, and from one angle and another angle, a little bit of a history in different languages. So quite nice. Instructions. Hopefully it's not too much glare from the light. The instructions look like they're really nice and easy to follow. You have an A and a B. I'm going to go for the B version, not because I can't do the Berlin camouflage, it's just that I really want to do the normal one you would see in the UK and across Europe. The wheel assembly. The running gear, suspension, which looks like it's all workable, which is really good. This is why I went for this kit. But the instructions look really nice and easy to follow. I like the different coloured coordination. Looks really nice and easy to follow. See, that's how the track tool works. I'm going to see if it works with the metal tracks that I've ordered. If it doesn't matter. I might do a demonstration of how this works with the tracks that come with it anyway. So you have an option now of having this exposed or closed or whatever you like. It's got the options here at the bottom. The infrared searchlight mode, white light searchlight mode. So yeah, it's got the two different camouflage patterns. This is what they would have used in Berlin, in the Berlin Infantry Brigade. Very nice. Might do one day, but this is the one I'm interested in. It goes back to my first ever model kit I built, which was the Tamiya Chieftain. So this is going to be a bit of a reminisce, but this is not the Tamiya Chieftain. I might do a Tamiya Chieftain. So a nice blank page, you write your notes on. So yeah, let's get started.